make sure that I'm recording. Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video because like I mentioned in my last video, I received all of my beauty boxes pretty much in a 2 or 3 day span. So I wanted to go ahead and get these filmed so I could get them out for you. Now I'm opening this one is the Boxycharm. And with Boxycharm, the box is so different this month. Usually it's a larger box, a little bit concerning, but not so much. I mean, you could put things, you know, some nice things fit into small packages. So it says Tarte here on the box, so I don't know if maybe this is just an all Tarte collab that they're doing for the month of October, but I'm excited to get into it. So let's go ahead. I had to peek up there and make sure that I'm still recording because, yeah, the last thing I want to do is to unbox this and then find out that it's not recording. Got my trusty scissors here. I'm going to go ahead and get this open and let's see. Got a large piece of tape on here. All right, guys, so we're going to open up the box and I'm going to let you guys get the first peek and see what we have in here. Look at that. I like this little purple box. It's just something different. You know, theirs is usually just always a black box. So I'm glad to have something a little different. Now, I put my glasses on because I want to read the card. And I was trying to see if it has any type of variation or something like that on it, but it doesn't, so we're just going to dig in. Maybe all of these are kind of the same, and I'm just taking a quick glance and everything in here is from Tarte, so that's pretty nice. I do like Tarte's products, so I'm really happy this month. So we're going to start off with something that I'm not that happy about, but still, I don't know. It's a Tarte C, and what it is, it's a breezy cream blush. Now this is one thing that I haven't gotten into is a cream blush, because it seems like whenever I use it, whenever I put a foundation on, because I didn't use the SPF, and I always harp about this probably every video. You guys are probably sick about hearing me talk about it, but I didn't use SPF when I was younger, so I do have some sunspots, and they're usually right on my cheek. So that's the only place where I'll go in and put any type of like a concealer or something like that. I don't do a whole face, but I do put concealer there, and I seem to see when I try to use a cream blush over it, it kind of takes the concealer off. So if you guys know any way to alleviate that from happening, you know, let me know. But yeah, this is I like the color. The color looks nice. Let's open it up so we can look at the packaging and see how the packaging looks, because you know I'm a sucker for some nice packaging. This is okay. It's nothing spectacular. It's just like a little blue compact. You open it up and this is the color. I think that would be a nice color for me to wear there. But again, like I said, I don't really like cream blushes, so I'm not certain what I'm going to do with this. The shade that I have is Pink Sky. I might combine it with something else and maybe put it in my Poshmark store. Let me take a look and see what that blush sells for. It sells for $24. It says to get that just pinched color on your cheeks. So that's nice. I mean, I'm not mad at it. It's a nice product, but it's just, you know, not necessarily for me. And the next thing that we have here, oh, this is like a little lip, some type of a maybe like a lip color, lip crayon. I'm not exactly sure. At least it's not like a crazy brown color or orange color like I've received a couple last month, those lipsticks that I received. So let's see, this is a hydrating juicy lip is all that it says. It's got like a really cute little packaging. I like the way that that's down here at the bottom of it. It's got like a kind of a different little shape to it, and I'm gonna go ahead and see. Oh, okay, I was twisting it like it was going to be like a have an applicator in it, but no, it's like do you push this up? Yeah, this is like a little push up. Okay, The color looks nice. Let me see if I can swatch it here because I do plan on keeping it. So let me see if I can get a little more of it to come out. I'm swatching not a ton of color, but it looks nice. Actually, it's picking up a lot of color there on the camera. I'm not seeing it so much on my hand, but it does have a nice sheen to it. So I'm happy with that. I think if I didn't have lipstick on already, I would go ahead and put it on. But I do have on some lipstick already. Now I'm concerned because this is up. There's no way that you can get it to go back down into the tube. So, you know, you have to be careful, and hopefully it doesn't kind of mash up there in the top part of it. Let me open it up again. No, it didn't go on the top. But yeah, that's not bad. That seems like that's a nice color. So I'm happy with that. And this one, it sells for $21. Get that cushiony pout you've always dreamt of with this what's this? Oil in one. It says oil in one vegan balm. Oh, okay, so it's like a balm, so it's supposed to be a little bit sheer then. So that's pretty. Yeah, I like that. So this is a win. So we got one win and one yeah. Let's see what else we have in here. All right, we have I think this is an eyeliner. And it has a felt tip, which I really like a felt tip. And I just started wearing eyeliner again recently. I don't want to open this up. It's called Double Takeaway because I do have two felt tip eyeliners already open and they will dry out. So let me just take a look at the card here and see. Now it's a micro liquid liner and a brightener. So one end, I guess this end here is the brightener, and then you have the liner there, which is really nice. Infused with mineral pigments and clay for an all-day wear. Rich black liquid eyeliner and creamy matte universal neutral gel liner. And this 2-in-1 product combined to create bigger and brighter and more defined eyes. Okay. Let's see. The micro felt tip liquid liner hugs the curves of the lash line, applying pigment smoothly without skipping. That's what I love with a felt tip, is that it doesn't skip. Whenever I use a pencil, even sometimes with the felt tip, it'll skip. And the creamy gel eyeliner instantly brightens the eyes to what's that, fake a full night's sleep. So I'm not really understanding how to use this, and if you guys can put in the comments below, I'd appreciate it. I don't know if you use the highlighting portion like at a bottom lash, or is that for your waterline, which I never put anything in my waterline because it just, I don't know, it just kind of freaks me out. I think I'm going to poke my eyeball or something, so I don't do that. But yeah, let me know how you would use this. Sometimes I like to use like a highlighter in the inner corner, so maybe I could use it for that. But yeah, I'm happy with that as well. And we've got another mascara. Now, I have used this one before in the past, but I had like a little small sample size one. And I think it must have, because it was a sample size one, it must have come in a Macy's box. But I did really, really like it. So I am so happy to get this. It's called Lights, Camera, Lashes by Tarte. And this is their mascara, which sells for, let's take a look, guys. This sells for $24 as well. It's a best-selling mascara. Like a push-up bra for your lashes. Oh, that's funny. Volumizes, lengthens, and curls your lashes for an instant eye lift. While delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. That's one thing I love, a mascara that doesn't flake or leave like smudges. Sometimes I'll even get smudges sometimes underneath my my eyes, and I don't even put any mascara on my bottom lashes. So I don't know if you guys know anything that I can do to stop that from happening. Let me know. I do put like a eye cream underneath my eyes and also on my eyelids, and I just, well, not just started, but maybe about a year ago, because my eyelids were starting to get, it seemed like they were getting really dry, you know, because my skin was changing, and the eyeshadow, it just didn't look right when it was going on. It looked like it was dry and a little flaky. So I started putting a eye cream, not just underneath my eyes, and out in the corner, so you don't get the webbing there, but I also started putting it on my eyelid, and that has helped tremendously. So I use the eye cream. I use one at night that I have, it's a little bit heavier, and I use a different one during the day, but I really it's helped so much with the condition of my my eyelids. They're not as thin as they were, because they were starting to kind of thin out. So the last product that we received, and I'm pressing around here to make certain there's nothing else here. The last thing we received is this Tarte. It's called Drink of H2O. And I guess this is just like a moisturizer. Let's take a look. Wait, this says there's something else in there. Oh, there was something else in the bottom. Wait until you guys see what's in the bottom. I'm super excited. Okay. I was happy with this, but there's something else in there too. Now this Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, it retails for $30, is that $39? It's $39, yes, okay. And it says it's a cooling sensation of this vegan daily, does that say gel moisturizer? Oh, that seems really nice. I'm excited to try this. Powered by electrolytes, it deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping soften and plump the skin's appearance. Keep skin moisturized for 24 hours with this lightweight, non-greasy, water-based gel formula. So this is really nice, guys. This Boxycharm, I knew they were going to beat Ipsy. And they absolutely did. Now, again, I don't want to open this up either, because it's going to start to dry out. And I do have a moisturizer that I already have open, but it's in a nice, I love the container. It looks nice and clean. So that'll be nice on a countertop. So I'm looking forward to using this. As soon as I finish with the moisturizer I have, I'm going to go ahead and open up this one. Now, while I was pressing around in here and I didn't think there was anything else, was I mistaken? Because look, here is a palette. And it's got some nice, just neutral tones in it. Let's see what this is. My palette is Sunrise, is the name of mine. And this is it looks like it's a Boxycharm exclusive. Has a MSRP of $30, which is nice. So let me go ahead and open it. And you know what I was just talking, well, in my last video I was talking about swatching eyeshadow palettes and then not using them. So I don't know if I'm going to swatch this or not. If I open it up and some colors jump out at me and I know I'm going to keep it, then I will. Otherwise, yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep this one, guys, because I have so many palettes that already have these colors in them. So here's the colors that are in the palette, and I'm so sorry for blinding you guys there. There you go. You can see them. It does have some pretty colors. I really like the element color that they have there, it's called. And you know, actually, I actually might keep it, because I do need a nice transition shade, and this does have a couple of transition shades in it. So with that being said, I am going to swatch just a couple of colors, because I am going to keep it. So let me take off my bracelet so we can get to swatching. So I'm not going to swatch everything, but you know, maybe it'd be nice. You can see if anybody has the same type of skin tone that I have. You can see if some of these colors will stand out for you or not. And I'm sure that Tarte probably has these colors in some of their other palettes. I really like this one, this element right here. I think that's a very pretty color. I'm not going to... I'm dropping the little sheet that's in there. I'm not going to swatch just the plain neutrals that are up here, but I would like to see this one down here. It looks like it might be a foil one, so we're going to swatch that one. It's called Vivid, and it really is vivid. That's a perfect name for it. We're going to swatch Brilliant. I like this one right here as well, so we're swatching that. We're definitely going to swatch. Now this doesn't feel that soft though. you know, it's feeling a little hard sometimes when you, and this one the same thing, and you can see on my fingers there, it's not really picking up a lot of color. And this one here, this Element one, which is the one that really sold me that I wanted to keep it, and then we'll go with Icon, which is right here. So I'm rubbing around and it's not getting too much, so we'll go here. This one is Icon. Okay, it has a pretty payoff there. Hopefully you can see it. This one was the Element one. It's the one that I really like, and it's actually kind of slightly chalky, guys, going on, but it is showing up there. Not too bad. Want to make sure that I'm still recording. This one, I believe that this one was Brilliant, so let's try that for a highlighter. Okay, that's nice. That's not bad. And the other one was Vivid. Now that one I thought was maybe a foil, and it does have a lot of shimmer in it, so that's a very pretty one as well. So those are the colors there with that. So not bad. Yeah, I'm kind of happy with that. I'm happy I went ahead and swatched it. So these were the products that I received in Boxycharm. And since Boxycharm is so kind to go ahead and give you the card with all of the prices on here, I'm going to do like just a quick off the cuff type of a tally. So we've got 30, 55, 76, 176, 110, 134, $158 value for this box if you're going off the MSRP. And with got this is a little tacky, the balm was, but I stuck it on my hand. It's supposed to go on your lips, right? So, you know, with Boxycharm, I think that the price, and again, I'm going to put the price up here somewhere. I want to say maybe it's $34, $35, but I will go ahead and put the price in. So I'm really happy with that. The only thing that I wasn't thrilled with was the cream blush, and that's okay. I can go ahead and, like I said, I'll bundle it with some other products, and I'll put it in the Poshmark store. And somebody should like it. Somebody that doesn't have the same type of skincare issues that I do. So that was my Boxycharm for the month of October. I hope you enjoyed it. And now I did have a giveaway going on that's in the Ipsy unboxing. So make sure you hop over there and that you watch that one as well. And I hope you have a wonderful evening or a day, whatever time you're watching this video. And thank you for spending some time with me. Bye-bye.